Integrating Contact Form 7 and Elementor is very easy. First, what you want to do is download Contact Form 7, download the plugin for it. So plugins, add new, search for Contact 7. We want to install that. And activate it. You'll then get an icon to the left of the screen. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Scroll down. And then what we're going to do is edit this. And you can insert here a number of fields. When you're happy with the form, what we want to do is take this code at the top, copy that, and then we're going to paste it in the shortcode section in Elementor. So you've got your shortcode copied from Contact Form 7. The next job is to paste it into Elementor or the Elementor page. So what we want to do is select whereabouts on the page you want it. You then want to click Add Section. We're then going to search for shortcode. We're going to drag that across. We're then going to paste the code into this box on the left. Here we have your contact form. The next step is to publish this and test.